Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to change out the water filter and the air filter for the refrigerator. One thing I want to note is this is a Frigidaire filter, and for this one to lock and unlock it, we're going to push it in, and that's the process for this one. But I had a different refrigerator, which was a Samsung, and that one unscrews. So the box should tell you on it what you need to do, so just pay attention to that. This is for a Frigidaire gallery, and so I'll just show you the process on this. It's very simple. I'm going to remove the new filter and its caps. Okay, and then inside the refrigerator, you're going to find that filter and you push it in, and then it will release. Okay, so you don't have to turn the water off or anything like that. And so the new one just goes in that same way. Just line it up with that notch at the top, and you're just going to push it in until it clicks. Now for the next step, they want you to take a full gallon or gallon and a half worth of water out of the system. It may shoot some air at you at first, but go ahead and fill up a gallon and a half worth of water. And I like to just go put it out on the lawn because there's no use dumping it down the drain. So anyway, that's a tip for you if you don't want to waste water. Okay, so next we're going to go into options, and we're going to scroll down until we get to the water filter. You can see it says replace right there. So we're just going to press and hold set. And so now it says that it's good. And this is on a timer. I'm not sure if it's by time or by gallons or how much water you use, but it will tell you whether it's good or needs to be replaced. Then you'll just hit options again, back to normal. Okay, next you're going to locate your air filter holder. And so this is what the new filter looks like. And so you're going to push down on this tab here, and you're going to tear it on its perforated edge. Very good. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is take a marker, and we're going to mark the month that we're currently in, which we're starting here in September. And then we're going to change it 6 months from then. Now we're going to slide this in this way so that when it goes back into the refrigerator, that this is the exposed side on those vents. Just like that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. Just remember, each brand might be slightly different, so this is the general process. Thanks for watching.